All right, you guys, so where have I been? Long story short, I've been caught up with school and all that jazz, but I'll tell you guys everything about it in the clip I'm gonna put in now. What's up, YouTube? Back in with a new video. I know it's been a good little minute since I last posted, but I've been busy with life like always. But it was my birthday and just a bunch of stuff, but I'm getting back active. And honestly, I've just been grinding every yard I can take. I have been quite busy, having slow days, you know how it is. But we're gonna talk about today what's next, while we of course cut yards, because it never stops. But what to expect next. So this week or next week, I want to buy a pressure washer and get into that side of the industry, I guess you can say. And I'm probably gonna still keep the Ty's lawn care service, because when the summer comes back around, I can still do it. But yeah. All right, now that you guys know where I've been, what I've been up to. Well, I was vaguely still, but yeah, let me show you guys what I finally got, what I'm really excited to use actually. And yeah, I know I look like an idiot. I just got done working for the day. Here, let me show you guys. And here we have it, guys. Pressure washer, surface cleaner. Well, I know what it's for, I don't know what it's called, so we can have soap in it. But yeah, this is my pressure washer. I've tried it, it runs very well. We're about to see tomorrow actually how long it can run. High, I guess you can say, or high, because it does get quite hot. I do have to say for myself. I put brand new oil in it, obviously. In case you're curious what it is, it's right here. That's what it is. That's what we're gonna be using. But yeah, that's what I've been up to lately. I've just been trying to get a pressure washer in my hands. It's been a bit of a struggle with stuff going on, in my life and stuff. I had to pay some stuff, but besides that, we finally got it. I'm very excited to use it, and yeah. Either tomorrow or the day after that we'll use it. But yeah, I just feel like I should show you guys what went down, how it's going down. But yeah, there you have it, my pressure washer. But yeah, let's get right into it. I'm still setting up, but it definitely is quite dirty. You can't see, like in the corner right there, especially up here. But yeah, I'm gonna post you guys up. I'm gonna let you guys know how long it takes, and yeah, enjoy it. I just want to kind of just pinpoint what I was talking about, what's next. So it's going to start getting colder again, as you guys know. Grass is going to slow down, plants are going to slow down, and just everything's going to slow down. So I want to get into pressure washing, and I've done my first share of research. I didn't think I was ever going to do pressure washing, in all honesty, but we're just going to try it out, and if we like it, just stick with it for a little bit. And it's something you can do during the summer and the winter. Alright guys, we're gonna take a quick break. We're like halfway-ish, I would say so. There's a little bit of striking, but that's just because I haven't washed it down yet. That's what it looks like anyway, but we're like halfway, if not a little less than halfway done. One half, undone half. We're gonna take a quick break. So far I've been at the job for 30 minutes, and yeah, let's take a quick break, and after that let's go right back to it. Guys, so I'm done taking my break. I'm gonna post you guys back up. Let's get right back to it. All right, you guys, so there you guys have it, my first ever pressure washing job. This is what it ended up looking like. It's obviously gonna look way better when everything is dried up, but it's gonna take probably another 30 to an hour. But this is what it looks like. I think it looks way cleaner. Them streaks, they're gonna go away whenever like it starts drying up. So I was worried about those, but look, they're all gone now. So yeah, this is the finished result. All this gonna dry up. It's gonna look so much better, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna do many more pressure washing jobs, especially as it's gonna start getting colder. But yeah, this is my first one. Glad you guys coming with me, and yeah, have a good day. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.